Happy birthday, Juvy. Happy birthday, dear Juvy. Happy birthday to you. I'm gonna do my skincare now. Hi. So right now, I've done my skincare and I haven't told you yet where we're going. We are going to Quezon Banana as a beach resort. So yeah.
Wow. So this is the final look. I just put on some concealer, mascara, and some lip tint. Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yo, hindi ko sama. Meows. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, Ming. Bye-bye, first love.
Arrived at the Benaraza beach, but as you can see, there were tons of people everywhere, so we just decided to go somewhere else, and that is the Cagbalete Island. Here are a few clips of me struggling to keep my hair out of my face.
Hello, birthday girl. We're currently at Mauban, and we're walking to another beach because we're going to ride a canoe, a wooden bangka. So let's go. And we're eating halo-halo while we're walking. We're here. You see that? I love Mauban. Look at this!
So we stayed at a waiting area where we waited for the wooden bangka to arrive for about 2 hours, while also waiting for our Tito Aris to sign up some things at the counters. It was a struggle. It was very windy, and along the wind there were some bits of dust that gets into our food and our eyes, but in the end everything was worth it.
They're taking our things and we're going to right there, and we're gonna go down here, which is gonna be too tricky, so you need to be barefoot. You're not the boat. Hello, the guards.
Suave.
We're leaving. Everyone's here.
Hear the night storm, yeah. Feel my soul.
Road trip ng boat ride. Shit. Kiki's Steakhouse at Cagbalete. Oh yeah. Sponsor. I'm going to go back there because I'm gonna help with some stuff. But I mean, look at the view. This is little white sand. It's my first time in a beach like this where the sand is really, really white. It's amazing. I love it. So this is our hut, our nipa hut, and this is our tent. Yeah, there's my family over there. Tito Arias, everyone.
Here's a little 360 of our view from the hut. As you can see, there were a lot of greenness.
Oh my God! There's a horse and Lian found money! Lian found money, man! Hi po! Ma'am, can I touch po? Pwede po ba? Hi! Hello!
Enjoy these little clips of me taking pictures with the horse. This is my first time riding on a horse, so bear with it. Lol.
Dinner! Here's the cake, it's destroyed because long story short, road trip, very tragic situations, but we made it. Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Woo, woo, woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Happy birthday! Gala sa evening. Sayang, walang night vision ang aking camera. But just hear the waves. These are here. Look.
We're looking for small holes where those little talangkas live, the shore crabs.
Hey guys, it's about 3 to like 4 hours since like the last clip when we were exploring outside. I showered and I'm ready to sleep. And the others are still awake, they're outside. Hey guys, I just woke up and like everybody's still asleep. There's my Tito, there's my Lolo. And some of us are still sleeping. And some of us that are awake are there. Oh, this is so cute. Look at Kia. Hi, baby. Kia. Look. So it's almost 5:30. Hi, guys. This is what the beach looks like. Bambi's barking. Girl.
I cannot express enough the wonders I have felt during this family trip in this island. Both my body and my mind felt at ease, and the freedom I have felt from the idea of being away from society and reality felt like a lifetime. Being with both the nature and my family was very therapeutic. It was beautiful, it was nurturing. I have never felt so healed in such a long time.
Hey, island girl. Hey guys, so I just showered and a lot has happened since the last scene, but I forgot to give you a tour of our Nipa hut. So I'm just going to give you a tour. So this is our Nipa hut, and that's my father. He's organizing our stuff. And let's go. I know it's dirty because like we're on the beach, duh. So this is the first floor. So it has one bed for 3 persons. Our stuff is organized. And the second floor, sorry, we don't have electricity. We have 3 beds that are on the floor. 2 persons can fit there, but we did 3 persons each bed, so everyone can fit and can have a bed. That's my stuff, so I just organized it. So, and this is the view from the window.
As you can see, we're surrounded by a lot of greens, which is really, really nice and beautiful.
That's our tent. There's 2 tents, and there are 4 people, 3 people who slept there. Those are my family. We're gonna eat their lunch. Look at the view. We all showered. These are my family. Kia, Bambi, everyone. So we're leaving. So we were there, and then we walked out in here. Now we're here. Bangka. Everybody's here. We're going to those bigger bangkas.